Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, February 21st, 2017. Well folks, I just wanted to point you in a direction here of a thought that I'm having which could be very profitable. The chart is Tiffany's, right? So Tiffany and Company, obviously it's a high-end retailer, got the little necklaces and this and that. And the reason why I'm pointing you in this direction is because why is it that every other retailer is hammered, literally trading at 52-week lows? Many we've seen, like even, high-end retailer Ralph Lauren having been hit majorly in recent months, but Tiffany hasn't. And my thesis is this: they report earnings in mid-March, I think March 17th, and the question I have is, might this be a great shorting opportunity? Because you have to just look at every other retailer out there, right? It doesn't matter if it's high-end or low-end. We've seen retailers from Under Armour to Ralph Lauren to JCPenney to Macy's to Sears all getting trounced. I mean, take a look at Ralph Lauren right here. I mean, look at this chart recently. I mean, that is an ugly, ugly chart. All right, take a look at JCPenney, JCP. I mean, that is an ugly chart. Take a look at Macy's. That is an ugly chart. Take a look at Sears Holdings, probably the ugliest of them all. Although it is up today, it's just unbelievably fallen. So the question I have, and I'm just posing this to you guys, because the reason I'm trying to get your imaginations going in terms of thinking outside the box, could Tiffany be a great opportunity to purchase some puts on it going into earnings? Buy, let's say 2 to 3 months out, so you have this earnings, but even if it doesn't fall drastically, you still have more time. And the reason, again, I say that is because look at the chart. Look at the divergence. Look at how different this chart is. Now, you can't tell me that Tiffany's been 100% immune to the retail action going on. You can't tell me that. So, in my opinion, this is setting up for a great short with a huge, and I say huge, I mean, I'm talking 20-30% downside on Tiffany because of that aspect, because it's got to catch up to some of these retailers. And let's just say those retailers like JCPenney, Ralph Lauren, they're oversold too much, so let's say they all jump back up. Even if they come up a little bit, you have to assume Tiffany meets them at some equilibrium point in the middle, and that's where it'll be. And that equilibrium point on Tiffany's could be like 65 bucks down here. And that's a $23 drop from current levels. So, I mean, even if you don't want to short the stock, I got to believe that buying some puts on this thing could be a very lucrative scenario for us as investors. And that's really the essence of it. This is what we do at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I come up with ideas like this, and then we make crazy amounts of money. And again, this would be an options play in the options alerts. You can come join that service at InTheMoneyStocks.com, or you can take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center, which is more for swing trades of buying or shorting stocks out there. All right, so again, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Again, Tiffany, great opportunity in my opinion for a short sell. Take care.